Alright, so what I was saying is we're going goose hunting today. It's snowing. It's December 11th, I think. It's like 25 degrees, so it's not that cold out. It's just that snow is annoying and we gotta watch out for getting stuck and something like that. Yeah, we gotta go get some decoys from my grandpa and grandma's farm. Then we're headed only 40 miles south of town. We're gonna be hunting about 1,000 birds today. It's last week of the season, so these things might be kind of smart. So let's hopefully we can get a couple birds down, and it's gonna be a tricky one to film today. So let's hopefully we can get it done today.
There's another decoy.
My grandpa told me about that one. I said I'll look at it, but I don't know if I'm gonna grab it.
This thing heated in here?
It used to be. Here it is. Here she blows, the old trick.
The old magic. He's got a phone that fucked.
Oh yeah, just hits the heat in the can. Start the truck. Look at here's Brady's blind. Anybody need a blind? Hey, open the back. Open the back. Open the back.
What?
Open the back. Hang on. Throw it in.
When's Brady Kruger ever going to go Sunday?
Exactly. Well, he goes with Alex.
Did he go one time this year? Oh, he went once. He went one time with Alex.
Yeah.
You gotta be ice fishing.
Alright, the weather is awful. It's 10 degrees, December 11th, I think I already said that. It's still snowing, and we're probably at like 4 or 5 inches for the day. We got like a 40-minute drive. We got all the decoys loaded. We gotta stop and get some more gas in another buddy's truck who's coming along. We don't have too many decoys. We got like 60 decoys, 2 flags, and I mean 1 kid that can call. It's a lot of birds, and hopefully it pays off today. So stay tuned, guys, and hopefully we can get some geese on the ground for the last day of the year. Skull Vikes, by the way.
hunting, and we're all freezing balls. And way the hell out there, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's running away from Matt Pierce. We finally winged one. We were here way too late, as you can tell. We have some great camo here, as you can tell. It's spray paint pretty much. So yeah, we're just hoping a bird gets within 100 yards and we're shooting. And we winged one, so hey, it's worth the trip, right? So we'll come back at you, and Matthew finally chases that live bird way the hell over there. He's running after a clucking goose.
He's gonna fucking shoot him or what?
He's too far still. Dude, Matthew, nice goose there you have. It's kind of bloody. Oh, God. What are your thoughts after chasing that goose down, Matthew?
Fucking thing wouldn't stop running.
Are your fingers chilly, Matthew?
Yes, they are. Missed him the first time.
Yeah. He's, oh, fuck. Alright, so we're to the field, and we get here, and there's like 400 birds already out feeding where we need to be. So we had to go out there, spook them all up. We threw out all the decoys as fast as we could. We don't even have all the decoys out. Got the blinds out in like 20 minutes. Like we maybe have 30 decoys out, 3 blinds, and we literally, it was a Chinese fire drill. So I'm going to park the truck. The roads are so bad on the way here. Holy shit, there's a bump. This plowed field sucks. We're gonna give her a whirl, but hey, if it works, it works, I guess. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Alright, we're headed back to Fargo. It's 1 degree out, it's 4:15. I'm freezing. We have not seen a bird in like 40 minutes, so we decided to pack it up. We shot 1 goose. I mean, it sucks. It does. That's how hunting goes. I mean, the waterfowl season has not been that special. I mean, it's hard to get film in the snow. But geez, 1 degree, your batteries don't last too long, so I didn't even bring a GoPro with me because geez, what's the point? It's just gonna be dead in 5 minutes, and it was a circus today, but that's how hunting goes. So we learned our lesson, and better luck next time, I guess. So stay